And the root of it, it's 1% vision, 99% alignment, is getting the team focused on the vision and the goals and aligning their efforts and their projects and their investments, and ideally being excited by it. Super easy to say and hard to do. And that's a lot of what our work is and scaling up is about. And it takes this concept of strategic planning, breaks it down into two different things: strategic thinking and execution planning. And what's fascinating over the years, there's only a few people who are really masters of strategic thinking, and lots can be learned, but some people are really, really good at it. And it's often very different humans who are good at execution planning. And so we need to tie those two together in a way where we have a great strategic plan that we can win with, and then people that are amazing at bringing it to life. On top of it, it's people resourcing, and it all starts with people. And that's the root of Collins's work. People, 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 people. And once you get your strategy and your execution system sorted out, it's all about people generally, and capital in some cases. And then finally, the cash modeling for those that don't know it. Some people don't understand cash. They really get profit, but many people aren't understanding of cash flow and how that can help or hinder your growth.